You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. So, do remember, if it's the first time watching the Chaddy Murray TV, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And special welcome to those viewers watching on Facebook. Follow the page, man. So people, today I'm forward with a news update. Actually, it's a follow-up to the cops versus cops situation. We're going last week Saturday over by Spanish Town. May have some little update something here. So, mobile reserve to be shut down. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang has announced major changes to the Jamaica Constabulary Force following Sunday morning bizarre incidents which 3 men being killed in a shootout between police and police. Jaja. The mobile reserve is to be disbanded and Senior Superintendent of Police Terence Bent, head of the robust operational unit within the force, has been sent on leave. The Commissioner of Police, Major General Anthony Anderson, has advised the government that in short order, major changes will come in both the management and oversight of the police force as well as changes to the entity within the force, Chang said in a statement. The image of the already challenged police force was further damaged following Sunday's incident, which is now the subject of high-level investigations. It is reported that an off-duty cop witnessed when a man identified as Sheldon Daly was shot by armed men. The off-duty cop challenged them and when gave chase to a white Nissan AD wagon which the men used to flee the scene. During the subsequent chase, according to Indicom, it is reported that gunshots were fired from both the white Nissan vehicle and from off-duty cop. The white Nissan vehicle reportedly collided with a silver AD wagon at the junction of Brunswick Avenue and Job Lane. Following the crash, further shots was reportedly discharged. At the crash scene, it was discovered that one of the men in the white Nissan wagon, later identified as Corporal Ron Williams, and the man in the silver AD wagon, who was later identified as Keran Barrell, had suffered gunshot injuries. They both subsequently died. 3 other civilians were in the silver Nissan vehicle were injured. Independent Commission of Investigation Indicom is probing, among other things, whether the 3 men in the white AD wagon were off-duty policemen attached to the Mobile Reserve Force. Indicom said that the 3 of the 5 firearms recovered from Sunday's shootout in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, were service weapons, police service weapons that is. It also recovered 2 sets of registration plates. A third set was attached to the front and rear of the car. A police vehicle logbook for 1 set of the plate was found inside the car, and a detachable police blue emergency light. Bent is sent on leave to facilitate investigation at the mobile reserve. Additionally, Assistant Commissioner of Police Warren Clark is to oversee the winding up of the mobile reserve and develop a framework for the new entity within the JCF. So people, there you have it, there you have it. Is a bugger thing talking in the article here. So basically, police Brent, yeah, him on leave. Them send him on leave. And then the mobile reserve is on shutdown. So I guess Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, him not really joke with the matter here. Him nah make it slide. Him nah make it slide none at all with the little matter here. You see me? So people, there's a lot being said in this case. I'm sure I have some more follow-up video. But in the meantime, tell me what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if it's the first time watching, and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. People, don't forget to like the video as well. And guess what? I'm out. Stay safe. Walk good.